Acceptance, meaning usage and examples. Imagine you're at a job interview, and the interviewer says, "We'd like to offer you the position." How would you feel? That moment of joy and relief is closely tied to our word of the day, acceptance. Word type. Acceptance is a noun. It's pronounced as acceptans with the stress on the second syllable. Meaning, acceptance has several related meanings. First, it refers to the act of accepting something or someone. This could mean agreeing to receive or take something offered or approving and believing in an idea or explanation. It can also mean the state of being accepted or acceptable. In a more personal sense, acceptance involves recognizing a difficult situation and dealing with it in a positive way. Word history. The word acceptance comes from the Latin word acceptor, which means to receive willingly. It entered the English language in the 15th century through Old French. Antonyms. Some antonyms, or opposite words, for acceptance include rejection, refusal, and denial. Synonyms. Synonyms for acceptance include approval, agreement, consent, and recognition. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use acceptance in different contexts. 1. Her acceptance of the job offer came with both excitement and nervousness. 2. The scientific community's acceptance of the new theory was gradual but significant. 3. Learning's self-acceptance was a crucial step in improving his mental health. 4. The university sent out acceptance letters to successful applicants last week. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse acceptance with acceptation. While acceptance is the act of accepting, acceptation is an uncommon word that refers to the generally accepted meaning of a word. Also, remember that acceptance is uncountable, so we don't say acceptances in most cases. Understanding and using the word acceptance correctly can help you express ideas about agreement, approval, and personal growth in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks. Practice using this word in various contexts to become more comfortable with it. Remember, acceptance of new vocabulary is the first step to mastering it.